and welcome to our YouTube channel, The Nerdy Gangsters, and I'm your host Falak. Today let's go out and ask people how much they know about India and also especially about Republic Day. Meanwhile, you also think how much do you know about India? Chalo, let's go. So my first question to you is when did India become a republic?
Oh my god, it's a very difficult question.
26 Jan 1947.
26 January 1949.
1986?
86? I think that was just like...
No, 1986.
1945.
26 January 1947, if I'm not wrong.
1949.
1947.
26 January 1950.
26 January 90 something, I don't know.
26 January 1950, if I'm not wrong.
949, I think. Yeah.
1950. 1955. 1954.
It was 1950.
26 January 1950. 1947.
Republic.
1949.
1950.
I don't know.
1950 is the correct answer. And date, of course, I hope you all know.
26th January.
26th Jan. Yeah.
I hope you know the day at least.
Yeah, 26 Jan.
That is because you get a holiday, yeah? So my next question to you is, can you name any three presidents of India?
Pratibha Patil. And the current one with Pranab Mukherjee. And third one, I really don't know.
APJ Abdul Kalam. Then
Modi is already.
Modi is already He's the Prime Minister of India.
Pratibha Patil, then who's that? Abdul Kalam Azad, Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Pranab Mukherjee. Rabindranath Tagore. Are you mad? APJ Abdul Kalam. Pratibha Patil. Rajendra Prasad.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister.
Manmohan Singh.
My last question to you is, if you got a chance to do something for your country, what would you do?
I think changing anything more than 26 January, 15th August. These are the very auspicious days of our country, and you can see that on that day, individual person can respect a flag, but on the very next day you see flags lying down. Changing the mentality towards, and I think you all should start from your heart. You all should start respecting your country. It's your country.
I would try getting poverty out of our country because I think there's too much of poverty and people are just lying on the roads, and I would try to get them homes or something like that.
To change the mentality of our nation, because our people in our country are like, if a girl is roaming in shorts, it's like, oh my god, what is she wearing, and she's walking. Just we need to change the mentality of our country.
How would you do that?
Just making them understand that wearing short clothes doesn't mean that they are too forward and they are from a very bad background.
I would like to eradicate the poverty and make the city look more appealing, like clean it, and try to reduce the corruption if possible.
So for that, you can join the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
No, I just would like to, it's like more of an individual initiative. So if everyone takes initiative, then, the things will become better.
First of all, I need to change the mentality of this rickshaw walas. If they are doing something for us, then they should have respect toward us, because they are we are just paying them, not they are paying us.
People go outside and they just crib that India is like this. In fact, we should go and then appreciate India in front of others.
I would like to join army.
Ben.
I got a chance, then I will definitely want to join.
Like the people who spit on the roads, we just tell them that this is not good.
Okay guys, hope you liked our video, and I would just like to give you one suggestion. Please be updated with India's history, because that is just a small way in which you could make your country proud by having a proper knowledge about your country. Until then, please be patriotic and wait. Happy Republic Day, and do not forget to press the like button, share and subscribe to The Nerdy Gangsters. Bye, signing off.